Today, people and businesses expect to make and receive payments at the click of a button any time of the day, every day of the year. And most expect their financial institutions to offer or support payment services that meet the speed and convenience they seek. In fact, 3 in 4 businesses and 2/3 of consumers surveyed think it's important that their bank or credit union offer faster payments. Financial institutions interested in meeting these demands can use the Federal Reserve's upcoming FedNow service to build innovative payment offerings that can help them retain and attract customers and avoid losing out to the competition. With the FedNow service launching in 2023, the time to start preparing is now. What can financial institutions do to get ready? A bank or credit union should first get a sense of the demands and trends in the market. Let's take a look at how one financial institution might do this. Meet Jill, the CEO of Community Bank. Jill keeps a close eye on Community Bank's customer retention rates. She was surprised to see new research showing that nearly 2/3 of businesses and 1/3 of consumers indicated they would factor access to faster payments into future decisions on whether to switch financial institutions. Jill and her team looked at their own customer transactions and discovered an increasing number of customers moving funds to alternative payment services, such as digital wallets and mobile payment apps. This corresponded with a noticeable decline in customers' deposits and accounts at Community Bank. They knew they had to take action. Jill and team reviewed FedNow education tools and resources to understand how the service will work and how to prepare for it. They also learned about instant payment use cases, including account-to-account transfers, bill pay, and person-to-person transactions. These resources sparked ideas for solutions they could create using their internal technology or working with third-party providers to leverage the FedNow infrastructure. Next, Jill's team started assessing the needs of their customers. They looked at available customer data, conducted surveys, and talked to customers. The team learned that their small business customers want tools to better manage cash flow. For many, this means being able to send bills and receive payments more efficiently. It also means being able to precisely time their own payments to suppliers. Also important to their customers is being able to instantly transfer funds from an account held at another institution to their account at Community Bank and vice versa, and then being able to access those funds immediately. With these insights in hand, Jill and team developed estimates of potential instant payments use across their customer base, made revenue projections, and analyzed potential growth in their deposit base. Encouraged by the results, they continue to explore ways to build on their business case and create opportunities to attract new customers with instant payment services. Jill's team took important first steps in preparing for the FedNow service. The FedNow service will be here in 2023. Will you be ready? Learn more at fednowexplorer.org.
Rapid changes are taking place in the global monetary system that may affect the international role of the dollar in the future. Most major economies already have or are in the process of developing instant 24/7 payments. Our own FedNow service will be coming online in 2023. And in light of the tremendous growth in crypto assets and stablecoins, we are examining whether a U.S. central bank digital currency would improve upon what is an already safe and efficient domestic payment system. As our white paper on this topic notes, a U.S. CBDC could also potentially help maintain the dollar's international standing.
You cannot do digital currency without trusted digital verification. So that therefore everyone will have to get a digital ID. It will be really interesting to see how people play this when they've said all along that many people in our country don't have the ability, it's too much of a burden to get an ID. Right? And now everyone, just to have an account, is going to have to get, it's a digital ID, but you're going to have to confirm your digital ID through government documents. You're going to have to establish yourself so that a clear digital identity can be registered to you. Now, this digital identity is going to be accessible across all spectrums, all of your healthcare, all of your credit information, so all 3 credit bureaus, all of your banking information directly with the Federal Reserve. So this is a bypassing of the commercial banking system that we currently have. What happens to all the banks? What happens to financial services? Who's going to give us loans if the money's not sitting in the commercial bank? You know, is the Federal Reserve going into the loan business? Are they going to be loaning out in bulk, lump sums from them to a commercial bank who then makes the lending decisions? This whole thing, Brandon, changes everything we know about finance from the very foundational levels. So this is huge. So the bottom line is they believe that the world has no options and that the CBDC and test case beta testing right now as we speak with MasterCard, with several banks that are literally right now running a test case on this, they believe that they will be able to start to the digital IDs. People are waking up to the fact that we aren't that economically secure.